I'm gonna dance in the light. I'm gonna shout out for joy. I'm gonna live out this life like I never have before.
Hello everyone and welcome back to Just for Hands. Alongside gardening, I'm venturing into aquaponics, an innovative and sustainable method of food production that has fascinated me for a very long time. Now I finally have the opportunity to explore it firsthand. In today's tour, I'll be showcasing my small-scale aquaponics setup at its early developmental stage. So if you're interested in following along, make sure you stay tuned for future episodes. You won't want to miss the progress. There's a lot to learn, and while aquaponics isn't as simple as 1 + 1, understanding the underlying science is crucial before even considering purchasing equipment. This is my fish tank where the system begins. I'm using an IBC top, which stands for Intermediate Bulk Container. This one holds 250 gallons and is stocked with juvenile tilapia, a hardy and fast-growing fish commonly used in aquaponics due to its adaptability. I sourced this tank from Facebook Marketplace for just $60 and made sure to clean it thoroughly using dish soap and apple cider vinegar, even though the seller assured me it had only been used for storing water. You see, proper sanitation is key when repurposing containers to prevent contamination in the system. This tank houses a submersible water pump which continuously circulates water to the grow beds, ensuring nutrient delivery to the plants. It also contains an aerator distribution manifold which maintains optimal oxygen levels for fish health. In the long term, I plan to transition the entire system off-grid, running it fully on solar power, which will make it even more sustainable. Maintaining proper water quality is essential in aquaponics. I test the water parameters every other day to monitor for pH, ammonia, nitrites, and nitrates. To ensure the fish remain a stress-free and productive environment, I have installed 2 temperature gauges. Tilapia thrives best between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit or 24 to 29 degrees Celsius, where they experience optimal growth and immune function. These gauges help me monitor and maintain that temperature range consistently. You may notice the green tint in the water. This is due to algae growth, which I intentionally cultivated in one of these grow beds. Algae serves as an additional natural food source for the tilapia, but since the bloom has become excessive, I may need to replace some of the water soon to rebalance the system. Now let's take a look at the grow beds, where the plants will absorb nutrients from the fish waste. I have 3 grow beds. 2 flood and drain, also known as ebb and flow systems, which allow for a periodic cycle of nutrient absorption and oxygenation, and 1 deep water culture bed, specifically designed for growing leafy greens like lettuce, which thrive in a constant water environment. Currently, I'm in the process of acquiring plants to fully establish the system. As you can see, it's not complete yet because I don't have plants, except for these few tomatoes. The grow beds are made from clear plastic storage containers, but they are wrapped in a black fabric to minimize algae growth, especially once plants are introduced. To create a biologically active filtration environment, I have chosen lava rock as the substrate for the flood and drain beds. Lava rock is highly porous, providing ample surface area for beneficial bacteria to colonize. These bacteria play a crucial role in the nitrogen cycle, converting toxic ammonia from fish waste into plant-usable nitrates, which is what you want. Each of these beds is equipped with a bell siphon, which regulates the filling and draining cycle, ensuring proper oxygenation of plant roots and microbial activity.
And okay, and this right here, and the siphon. This might be draining. I think it's this one. Nope, it's about to drain. Actually, it is this one. Nope, one of them is about to drain. Let's take a look at it. Oh, you hear that? One of this is draining. It's probably this one. Yeah, it's this one. Watch it. See that? Alright, so this just drained. Still draining. And then once this is done, or when it's about to be done, this will be the next one. As you can see, it's ready to go. This one is full. It's about to start. It has already begun. Watch it. Look in the cup. And draining. Alright, see that? Yep. It's draining. Still draining.
And that, ladies and gentlemen, concludes the tour of my early stage aquaponics setup. There is still a long way to go, but this journey is all about learning, improving and optimizing for efficiency. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and check out our other hands-on videos on gardening and aquaponics. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments, because I'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.